Meaning of footway.
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 Footway. Footway refers to a path or way designated for pedestrians to walk on, typically separated from the road used by vehicles. It can be a sidewalk, pavement, or any other surface that is intended specifically for walking. Footways are important components of transportation infrastructure and help ensure the safety of pedestrians by providing a dedicated space for them to move on. They are often found in urban areas and can range in width from narrow alleyways to spacious promenades. Overall, footways play an essential role in facilitating walking and promoting pedestrian-friendly environments.